In this exercise, we're going to look at two key features of Word. First of all, importing text from another document, and also positioning pictures carefully in our document so they look in the right place. So the first job is to import a text file. So I'm just going to put a return in here, and then I'm ready to insert my text at this point here. So I up here and click on the object box. I'm under the menu Insert, incidentally, and then I menu box Text from File, and we'll see that probably by default you will get this, which is all Word documents. You don't actually want those, so what you want to try and do is to drop down to text files, and then you will see train.txt and insert that text. We want the Windows default text, and there we are. So now we've got our text. We're going to put it all into the same font. This font looks a bit more like a typewriter, so I'm going to just select something like Georgia font here, and perhaps Georgia 12 point will probably do us. And again, we want some paragraph spacing, so I'm going to put paragraph spacing 12 point after, and then I'll probably need some spaces after the paragraph, so the paragraphs are here after Kensey, and the next one is after, that's 4, there we are. So now we've managed to achieve that. We want to put a picture in. I want to put a picture just here on the left, so I'm going to click by the word the, and then insert a picture. I'm not going to drag it in, I'm actually going to find the picture and insert it. The ones that I really want are in the folder that I've got, so I'm going to look in Documents, Informatics, Exercises, User Fundamental, Software, and Word Processing, and then I can find my train.jpg, and there it is. Now clearly this is way too big for what we want, so I want to resize it and wrap it properly. So the first thing I want to do, it comes up with format, I'm going to wrap the text square around it, okay, and then I'm going to resize it so the height is 5 centimeters. There. It's not quite right now, so I'm just going to drag it down a bit. Okay, so that's level with the top there. That's it. It should now be quite level with that and level with the edge of the page. Is that good enough? Well, not really for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the picture, and I'm going to format the picture. Like this, and I get layout, square, and then I want to go to advanced. Now what I really want to do here is the absolute position should be to the right of the margin, 0, and I want the absolute position to be 0 with the paragraph, so that I know it's tight up against it. There we are. Now unfortunately that's gone a bit too far across, and this often happens when the anchor link is not quite right, so I'm going to drop it where I actually do really want it and just try once again. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of fiddling to do this. Square, advanced, margin nearly right now, 0 there and 0 here. Good. And now our picture is in absolutely perfect position. Level with the top of the paragraph there, and I know it's tight against that margin, so it looks all neat and tidy. And I'm going to save my document, and I'm ready to mark it.